Have you asked yourself, why is there so much suffering in this world? In the news there is wars, gun violence, crimes, traffic accidents and deaths. And we ask ourselves, if God exists, why would a loving God allow so much evil and suffering to happen? Humans have free will, the freedom to choose to go their own way separate from God. Man has rebelled against God, the only source of life and goodness in the universe. This is an example of how humans want to gain God-like power. They decide for themselves the difference between good and evil. This movie shows how human pride and boast about themselves. Artificial intelligence are building robots that act and look just like humans, performing tasks faster and doing face recognition better than humans can. Computers can perform tasks and things that humans can't, following language commands such as Siri and Alexa, a system with daily life conveniences. Science do not explain the moral problem of human suffering. The cell makes mistake, leading to disease and death. Biology drives human behavior, leading to hatred and crime. Why do we get angry? Who do we ask? Where do we get idea about good and evil, just and unjust? Humanism suppresses the truth and rejects the Bible as the guide for truth, wrong, right, and justice. Humanism looks only for human solutions, wanting to understand the world only through science. But science is tangible, measurable, physical, and material, and can never explain the moral and spiritual problems. Humans chose independence, wanted their own way, separate, without trusting God, the only solution for sin and suffering. A broken relationship with the creator of life in the universe. Separation from God is what causes human suffering. Jesus said, "No one is good except God alone." God is the only source of goodness in the universe. The Bible has stories about God's goodness, and He offers us hope and eternal life to anyone that believes in Him. The day is coming when ultimately good will triumph over evil. God will destroy the forces of evil. There will be no more death, pain, or sorrow. There is hope. God has the last word. Jesus came to restore the broken relationship between God and humanity. See you next time on Bible Cure.